In today's video, I'm going to teach you best way to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. Whether you are troubleshooting, running a trusted tool that's getting flagged, or testing software in a controlled environment, I will walk you through a quick temporary switch and a more permanent option. Just a quick reminder before we start. Turning off antivirus protection reduces your security. Use these methods only when necessary and turn protection back on when you are finished. First, let's temporarily stop real-time protection. This is the fastest way to pause Defender's active scanning, and it will automatically re-enable after a restart. Press Windows+I to open the Settings app. In the sidebar, select Privacy and Security, then open Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection to launch the security dashboard. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, choose Manage Settings here. Toggle the real-time protection switch to off. If you are asked for permission, confirm with your administrator approval. From this point, Defender will stop actively scanning new files and downloads, which can help when a trusted program is being blocked. Windows may show a warning icon to let you know protection is off. Keep in mind, this setting isn't permanent. After you restart your PC, real-time protection will turn itself back on automatically. When you are done with your task, you can come back to the same screen and switch it back on manually as well. If you need a more permanent solution and you are on Windows Pro or Enterprise, you can use the Group Policy Editor to disable the Microsoft Defender antivirus service. Press Windows+R to open the Run dialog. Type gpedit.msc and press Enter. In the local Group Policy Editor, go to Computer Configuration, then open Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and select Microsoft Defender Antivirus. In the right pane, find the policy named Turn Off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Double-click it, set it to Enabled, then click Apply, and OK. Finally, restart your computer. Setting this policy to Enabled tells Windows to turn off Defender, and the change will persist across reboots. Note that the Group Policy Editor isn't available on home editions, so if you don't see it, this method won't apply to your device. That's it. Thanks for watching.